If you can't wait for the official iOS 27 release, here's how to install the developer beta on your iPhone right now. Before installing the iOS 27 developer beta, make sure to create a backup of your iPhone. Since this is beta software, you may occasionally run into bugs, app compatibility issues, battery drain, or other unexpected problems. Having a backup ensures that you can restore your data if anything goes wrong. The good news is that you don't need any available iCloud storage to do this. Simply go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, and tap Get Started under Prepare for New iPhone. Your iPhone will then create a temporary backup in iCloud that's available for free for up to 21 days, giving you a safety net before installing the beta. Start by opening the App Store and installing the Apple Developer app. Once installed, open the app and sign in using your Apple ID. After signing in, restart your iPhone. This helps ensure that beta update option appears properly in your settings. Once your iPhone turns back on, open Settings and go to General, then Software Update. Here, you'll see a new option called Beta Updates. Tap on it and select iOS 27 Developer Beta. After selecting it, go back to the previous screen. You should now see the iOS 27 Developer Beta update available for download. Tap Update Now to begin the process. Keep in mind that the download may take some time because a high volume of users are downloading the update right now. The good news is that every iPhone that supports iOS 26 is also compatible with iOS 27, including the iPhone 11. And that's it. Once the installation is complete, you'll be able to explore all of the new iOS 27 features before the stable release. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more iPhone tips.